We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M401 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you're getting a low toner or a replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that toner cartridge replaced and get rid of that error message. It's a very simple process. You can go ahead and leave the printer turned on for this. And on the front top right of the printer, you'll see a little button. It's got like a little U shape and a little triangle made of circles or dots. Just going to go ahead and push down that button and lower that front cover. And once you do that, you'll go ahead and notice that there's a toner cartridge right there in front of you. And right in the middle there is a handle. You're just going to go ahead and grab that handle and pull straight out and remove your toner cartridge. You might have to give it a pretty firm pull, but it should come right out. If it comes out a little bit crooked, just push it back in, seat it again, and then try it again and try to pull it straight out. If you turn it to the one side or the other, it's going to get kind of stuck in there. So you can just push it back in and pull straight back out. So once you have it out and you have your new toner unpackaged and ready to go, you're simply going to take it and again hold it by the handle, line it all up, slide straight back into the printer and push down until it clicks firmly down into place. And then once you're done with that, you can close this top cover. And then the printer will take a second to initialize and prepare that toner cartridge for use. And then you'll notice your error message goes away and you're good to go. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your toner or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.